Hello everyone, are you new to my channel? Then subscribe to my channel now and click the bell button. Please like and comment your idea about this video and share this video to watch your friends. Today video, why do we say cheese when we're having our photo taken? We're not sure when or where a photographer first asked his or her subjects to state the name of the delicious dairy product, but we do know that when you say cheese, the corners of your mouth turn up, your cheeks lift and your teeth show. It looks like a smile, and since smiling is what we do in pictures, the instruction seems pretty practical. The deeper question, then, is why is a smile the default expression for photographs? In her 2005 essay Why We Say Cheese, Producing the Smile in Snapshot Photography, Kristina Kachimidova, an associate professor at Spring Hill College in Mobile, Alabama, puts forth an interesting hypothesis that deserves a look. Picture-perfect smiles weren't always the norm, says Kachimidova. Photos in the 19th century were ruled by stony, solemn faces. These early photos took their cues from traditional European fine art portraiture, where smiles were only worn by peasants, children, and drunks. The etiquette and beauty standards of the time also called for a small, tightly controlled mouth. At one London photo studio, the precursor to say cheese was actually say prunes, to help sitters form a small mouth. Then, sometime in the 20th century, the smile became king, ruling over snapshots with an iron fist. Prior studies of the smile in photography, Kachimidova says, relate its rise to the speedy camera shutter, attractive faces in media and politics, and the rise of dental care, technological and cultural factors that may have begun a process of mouth liberalization. Kachimidova, though, proposes that we look at smiling for the camera as a cultural construction of 20th century American snapshot photography. Photography was once a pursuit for the rich. At the turn of this century, though, Kodak's $1 brownie camera, combined with their line of how-to books and pamphlets for photographers and their heavy advertising in prominent national magazines, created a mass market for photography and established the company as the leading expert on the subject. Kodak came into a position of what Kachimidova calls cultural leadership by framing the way photography, for which they supplied the technology, was conceptualized and used in the culture at large. In its leadership role, Kodak marketed photography as fun and easy. The company's slogan, "You press the button, we do the rest," assured consumers that the hard work, developing the film and printing the photos, was left to Kodak technicians, and that taking snapshots was easy enough for anyone. Kodak's ads and photography publications presented taking photos as a happy experience for both the photographer and the subject that served to preserve fond memories of good times. One way that message was communicated was plenty of smiling faces on happy consumers, which conveniently provided a model for how subjects should look, that quickly spread along with the adoption of the technology. Kachimidova concludes that Kodak's position of leadership in the culture of photography and their saturation of the ads, magazines and their own publications with images of smiling faces, allowed the company to define the standards and aesthetics of good snapshots, and smiling for the camera became the cultural norm. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.